Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find your YouTube comment history. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up your YouTube app on your mobile device, and then you want to click onto your profile, bottom right hand corner of your page, and then you want to click onto the gear icon after that. It should be located top right. And then from here, you want to click onto manage all history. So now from here on this page where it says YouTube history, you got history, controls, interactions. Click onto interactions, and then you've got a whole list of different options here. So you can see video likes and dislikes, comments, likes and dislikes, comments and replies, live chat messages. But for this demonstration, you want to click on comments and replies to see your YouTube comment history. So go ahead and click into that, and that will show you all your comments you have made. So I'll go ahead and do that now. There you go, comments I have made on YouTube. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.